A lot of Filipinos are feeling like billionarios this Christmas after receiving their 13th month pay, cash gift, gratuity pay, or year-end bonus. According to the Labor Department, all 13th month pay should have been released before December 24, especially for employees in private establishments. For job order and contract of service employees in government, gratuity pay should have been released last December 16, according to the Department of Budget and Management, while the year-end bonus and 5,000 peso cash gift for regular government employees were released last November 4. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas says new polymer bills are now available and can be exchanged for free at banks. And it is also advisable to go digital when giving aguinaldo using e-wallet apps such as GCash and Maya or through QRPH transfers. According to financial advisor Eneri D, there are 5 ways to allocate your bonus beyond holiday spending and cash gifts. First, prioritize paying down bad debt or loans with large balances or high interest that are not paid monthly. D says these often come from impulsive credit card swipes that add up quickly.
Pag credit card, pag hindi mo na pay in full, no, that's 3% per month. So times 12 natin, no, 36% per year. Grabe yun. Isipin mo, you can do the math na lang siguro on your own, no, pero grabe yun. No? So definitely, ito yung pinaka number 1 dapat i-prioritize natin.
Second, build your emergency fund, at least 3 months worth of your monthly expenses. For instance, if you spend around 20,000 pesos a month for basic needs, D recommends allocating a portion of your bonus to grow this fund and allow it to extend to up to 3 months worth of expenses. Third, set aside money for planned obligations, expenses that are paid semi-annually or yearly. These include school fees, insurance premiums, and other important family needs. Fourth, allocate part of your bonus for investments. D says first-time investors may consider the Pag-ibig MP2 fund or investments in the stock market, now also made accessible through e-wallet apps.
The earlier you start, the better. Kasi ang pinaka-important talaga sa investment, no, is the time. So just to give you an example, no, if we are 20 years old, let's just say nagsisave siya 1,000 pesos to per month, compare mo sa age 30 ka nagsisave ka ng 1,000 pesos per month, no? Until you reach, for example, you reach age 60, super laki ng difference.
And finally, D reminds, don't forget to treat yourself. Rewarding yourself, he says, helps maintain motivation and productivity, whether that means traveling, buying a new gadget, or simply enjoying a dinner out. D adds, choose what fits your budget to strike a balance between spending and saving. The key message, don't be a one-day billionaire with your bonus. Every peso should have a purpose, and smart saving remains the agenda, whether it's Christmas season or not. Paulo Barcelon, Billionario News Channel.